Good morning you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine. How are we all doing in the winter so far? Today I will be showing you my morning cleaning routine. I'm now 34 weeks pregnant at the time of this video. During my entire pregnancy, I'd like to keep myself moving all the time. Except for my first trimester, which I suffered a lot from morning sickness and lack of appetite, I always try to do some exercise, cooking and cleaning during the day. Housework to me is not a burden, it's more like a therapy. Every day after we've done our morning exercise, had breakfast and got ready, I will start the routine cleaning from the top of the house, the loft, where our master bedroom is. Some people prefer to leave all the cleaning to a cleaner every week or every 2 weeks. I somehow find doing a bit of routine cleaning every day helps keep the place clean and tidy. More importantly, keep myself happy. First of all, the bed. It doesn't matter if I will have visitors to visit my bedroom or not, I'd like to tidy up my bed and make the linen neat and presentable. I think this is more of a reflection of how you want to live your life. It's not an assignment that someone is going to review your work, but you are the boss of your own room. I like walking into my bedroom at night with everything cleaned up and tidied up. It helps me have a better night's sleep, I believe. Because we're expecting a newborn, these days our night read has been dominated by how-to books of newborn and parenting. I just realized there are so many books started piling up on my husband's side. I decided to just leave one book out and keep the rest in the drawers below. You don't really read 10 books in one go, do you? After making the bed, I will briefly clean up the area around the sink in our bathroom. I don't use cleaning product every day to clean, but today I feel like using it. When I did the design of this bathroom during our renovation, I wanted to keep it simple but having a bit of the vintage feel. My husband always had doubt about the brass hardware I chose, but I think it goes quite well with the rest of the style. Our sink is matte finish, so you don't really see the obvious water stain. In addition, we installed water softener for the entire house, which helps reduce the accumulation of lamp scales significantly. With regards to the bathroom bin, I never get the design of those bins opening down and inwards. I prefer having the bin with lid opening upwards instead, just like this one I got here. It helps hold more waste and you don't feel the need of pushing down the trash when the bin is not even half full. I vacuum almost every day, therefore I installed our old Dyson from the previous flat behind one of the wardrobe doors in the guest bedroom on the first floor. I have links to all the products I mentioned in this video in the description box below, so do check it out if you're interested. This Dyson is in charge of the cleaning of all the bedrooms, while we have another one on the ground floor which does the job of the entire ground floor cleaning. For the stairs, we had this carpet runner. Personally, I'm not a big fan of carpet at home because I always felt the carpet sucks all the dust in. But for some technical reasons, we couldn't have the wooden floor installed on the stairs. Well, you can't have everything, do you? Therefore, I just have to live with the carpet and try to give it a clean as often as I can. This is our family bathroom, which is on the first floor. It is not being used by anyone now, but soon it will be occupied by the newborn, I'm pretty sure. At the moment, it's just me using it during the day because my office is also on this floor. So let's give it a brief clean as well. I have to say this bathroom came out more appealing than our ensuite bathroom. The black and white combination does help lift up the appearance significantly. I will do a proper bathroom tour in my future videos to talk you through my thoughts in the design, so please stay tuned. Then let's go downstairs to the kitchen. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, I really like this pair of indoor shoes which I got after we moved in here. Previously, I lived in a flat where I can either barefoot or wear some slippers. However, after moving into a house, I found it's quite troublesome to put on and take off shoes when I needed to go to the garden or go out to dump trash. Therefore, I got these. It has a rubber bottom which allows you to go outdoor. This part can go down if you want to wear as a pair of slippers, or up if you prefer the feel of proper shoes. Generally, we keep our breakfast relatively simple but healthy. Today we had oat cooked over a pan with milk, so the cleaning was not too bad. But we had some leftover pans from last night, so I probably run a wash. I try to keep the dishwasher washes as less frequently as possible to save water. Even if I do, I always use the eco mode. I don't know about you guys, I just felt the need of being more diligent on the environment. Eventually, it is our kid and their generation who will suffer the consequence of us not doing enough to protect the environment. Anyways, back to the cleaning. I discovered this sink spray solution from Pink, recommended by someone on my social media. It really works so well. Each time I just spray entirely the sink and leave it for a while. Today I feel like using the sponge to clean it off, but most of the time I just use water, and the solution will take away a lot of the watermark on the sink already. Now it's just us two. I try to run 2 washing machine washes every week, one during the week and then one over the weekend. Sometimes extra washes for beddings or white clothes. We have laundry baskets in each floor's bathroom for the ease of collecting dirty clothes after shower. This is the drawback of living on multiple floors. Housework is not as straightforward as it is for flats. Therefore, it is important to ask all the family members to respect the laundry baskets instead of putting dirty clothes everywhere. When I prepare the washes, I like to use these laundry bags to categorize and protect the clothes before throwing them into the tumble. At least I know if there's any missing pairs of socks still lying in the laundry basket. My washing machine is from Samsung. We got a 9 kg load washing machine because so many people has warned us about the big washes we will be doing after the newborn. If you are also like us, renovating while planning growing the family, it is a good time to do some appliance upgrade if you can. Alright, I've done my cleaning of this morning. Now it is the time to treat myself with a hot drink. I am a coffee person, that's why I had this coffee set up. However, after I became pregnant, I try to control the caffeine intake. Therefore, I will make myself a hot chocolate today. My drink is ready and my day is about to start. I wish everyone a great day ahead and I will see you back in my channel next Friday at 7 p.m. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscription button and stay connected. Thanks for cleaning with me and bye bye.